Hi, I'm Miss La, founder of Sheer Faces Lash Studio, and my goal is to help women feel beautiful by applying natural lash extensions and also to help you grow your lash business. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you struggling with trying to figure out how to apply lash extensions to protect your client's natural lash health? Curious about how to get clients for your lash business? Or have you ever wondered why some people are able to run their lash business while maintaining a level head, while others seem to be all over the place? Well, I've been through many ups and downs throughout my lash journey, and now I want to share everything that I have learned throughout this process because I am still actively in my lash studio and I still have a lot of information that I want to learn, that I want to share with you. So that's the purpose of this YouTube channel. Here on my YouTube channel, I want to help you develop the confidence to start your lash business. And I want to show you exactly what you should be doing in order to learn how to properly apply lash extensions, learn how to get clients, and how to learn and scale your lash business. To make sure you stay up to date with all the content that I will post on my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button so you can find out exactly when I post content. To get you started, I also have a free download for you that you can get by clicking in the description box. And this positive mindset ebook will help you to get your mind right to prepare you for your lash journey. And it's absolutely free that I will send to you. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel, and I look forward to hearing about your lash business success.